Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to remove watermark from PDF. Friends, if you want to remove watermark from a PDF file, like here in this file you can see watermark. So if you want to remove this watermark, then you need to open watermarkremover.io. Here you need to click on upload. Now you need to select your PDF file and click on open. Now here it will process the file. Now this website will remove the watermark from the first page of the file. Means if you have one page in the file, then it will remove the watermark free of cost. But if you have 10 or 50 pages in the file, then you need to split the pages in multiple PDF files. Now to remove this watermark, you need to click on get first page for free. Now it is processing the file. Now here you can see it has removed the watermark. Now you need to click on this down arrow to download the PDF file without watermark. Now click on save. Now I will open the downloaded file. Now here you can see it has removed the watermark and the output is very clear. So friends, like this you can very easily remove watermark from your PDF file. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.